Attending art festivals is the new trend in town. Be it to add artifacts to your prize collection, to showcase your knowledge of art in front of your friends, to capture your next profile picture, or to create Instagram stories that garner hundreds of views. Times have changed. Everyone has this frivolous need for validation from their peers. And they're not wrong in doing that. It's just that in this digital world, amidst all the hustle to please our online audience, the love for art is lost somewhere. How an artwork makes us look has become more important than what it makes us feel. You, me, we all are guilty of this. We have come so distant from it that all we look forward is to posting feeling awesome at art festival rather than actually feeling awesome there.